In today's video, I'll teach you how to apply for an ABN number online in Australia. So if you want to apply for an ABN number, it is actually very simple. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link abr.gov.au. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Australian Business Register. So if you want to apply for the ABN number, it is actually very simple. Right over here, you'll be able to find various options. Under the section for business, super funds and charities, you'll be able to find this option for apply for an ABN. If you're the tax professionals, you'll also be able to apply for an ABN for tax professional over here. So simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll be able to apply for the ABN. Simply click on this option, apply or reapply for an ABN that you can see on this interface. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the important information over here. Make sure to read these informations carefully. ABN applications are reviewed to ensure only genuine businesses get and keep an ABN. You may need to provide the evidence that you are entitled to an ABN. Make sure not to provide any false or misleading statements. Also make sure to read other informations as well. Now check on this box that you can see on the screen. You're basically agreeing to these terms and conditions. Now click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to another interface. You can see over here, you'll be able to see the steps. First of all, you'll have to select the ABN entitlement. After that, you'll have to provide the application detail, business information, associate details, reason for application and declaration. Over here, you'll be able to see this question. Simply click on the answer of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see more questions over here. Over here, you can see this question, will your activities be carried out in Australia? Click on the option of your choice. Likewise, answer other questions as well. Now after you answer all these questions, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to another interface. You'll be able to review your answers over here. Click on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to another interface and you'll have to provide the application detail over here. So simply provide all the informations correctly. Answer other questions as well. After answering all the questions, click on the next option. Now you'll have to provide the business information over here. Simply answer the questions and click on the next option. Likewise, you'll also have to provide the associate details. You can see over here, you'll have to provide the applicant information over here. So first of all, select the title. After you do that, enter the first given name over here. Likewise, enter the other given name. Now enter the family name. Select the date of birth. First of all, enter the day. Likewise, enter the month. Now enter the year over here. Now after you provide all these informations, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be asked more about the business information. I do not have the correct information to provide regarding my business in Australia, so I'm just going to tell you what to do. Simply proceed to other steps and provide all the information that they ask you to provide. Simply answer all the questions and provide the details regarding your business and associate. After you do that, you'll also have to specify the reason for application. Simply select the reason for your application. You'll also have to go through the process of declaration. After you follow through all the prompts, you'll be able to complete all the steps for applying for Australian business number. Now what you have to do is simply wait for the approval. You will receive your 11-digit ABN instantly if all information is verified electronically. If your application needs manual review, you will receive a reference number. Reviews can take up to 28 business days. So simply exercise your patience and you'll be able to get your ABN number. So that is how you apply for an ABN number online in Australia. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.